People think that MD is not only used for fashion purposes, such as clothing, but can also be utilized for all other things involving fabric. Let's say for accessories like handbag and backpacks, and also for furnitures like puffy, chair pillows, beds, or couches. The purpose is fundamentally different from sewing clothing in the way that we need to create our own avatars. Now, sometimes we can create patterns within MD and freeze them that we can use the freeze simulation as our avatar. And another option is specially for working on complicated furniture that has its specific shapes is to import the rough shape we have previously made in other 3D application and use it as avatar in MD. Now, once we get through this stage, sewing and assembling patterns is not difficult that we have done in the previous modules. The workflow mostly involves the uses of layer clones, shrinkage, weft, and wrap, and of course, the choice of the material can vastly affect the final result. In this module, we will take a look at the process of creating a simple handbag for our avatar that also have special stitching in the back.